Hi everyone, it's Jessica here. Welcome back to my channel. Is your English learning journey going well? I hope you keep it up. Today, let's practice real-life conversations. We will focus on simple words and phrases that you can use in everyday life. So, how can this video help you? Listening to real conversations helps you understand how English sounds in daily life. Practicing them makes you feel more natural speaking English. While watching, you can pause to repeat what the characters say or write down new words. Ready? Let's begin.
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for, what do you call it? Oh, baking powder.
Sure. It's right here on this shelf. Are you baking something today?
Yes, I'm trying to make a cake, but I'm missing a few things. I also need, flour?
Yes, you got it right. Flour. It's on the shelf below the baking powder shelf. By the way, is this your first time baking?
Yes, and I'm so nervous. My friend told me to wing it, but I'm not sure what that means.
Oh, it means to try without following exact steps or recipes.
Oh, interesting. Thanks. I think I'll give it a shot. Sarah, do we really need 5 boxes of cereal?
Of course, they're on sale.
But we only eat breakfast once a day, right?
True, but think of all the flavors.
You mean all the sugar? Are you kidding me? Just don't drink coffee after that. Deal. Oh, what about chips?
Chips? I thought we came here to buy healthy food only.
Max, too much healthy is boring. You should have cheat days for yourself.
What's a cheat day?
It's when you eat less healthy food, for example, cheese, hamburger, pizza, and so on. Having a few cheat days isn't harmful to your health, Max.
I can't argue with that. Let's get both. You pick the chips, I'll find the healthy stuff.
Hi there, what can I get for you today?
Do you have any fresh smoothies?
Yes, we have strawberry, mango, and even a green detox one with spinach and kale.
Spinach and kale. That sounds healthy, right? Healthy, but maybe a little boring.
Well, if you're looking for something fun, we have a chocolate peanut butter smoothie.
Oh, it's a bit of a treat. Now that sounds like a cheat day in a cup.
Exactly, that's the one I'm getting. I'll stick to something healthy. I'll have the green detox smoothie. Would you like a snack with that? We have fresh baked cookies or a fruit salad.
I'll take the cookie. Of course. I'll take the fruit salad, please.
All right, I'll get those ready for you. Look at all these fresh vegetables.
Me too, honey. I love buying fresh produce. It just feels better, doesn't it?
Yes, and look at the tomatoes. They're so red and ripe. Let's buy some. How much is this basket?
It's $10 for the whole basket. Can we get it for $8?
How about $9? They were just picked this morning. You can't get fresher than that.
That's a great deal. Let's take it. I'm thinking of making a big salad with all the fresh produce. And how about adding a few apples? They'll be a perfect snack later. Thank you so much. I can't wait to make a healthy dinner tonight.
Oh, these magnets are so cute. I want to buy one for my mom. How much is this one?
It says $4. Can you bargain here?
I think so. Let me try. Hi, can I get this for $3?
How about $3.50? What does how about mean?
Oh, it means they're giving you a different price.
Oh, I see. They're offering $3.50 instead of $4. I think I'll take it at that price. It's all too expensive, and my mom will love it.
Yes, plus it's unique. You won't find this everywhere. Do you think she'll like it?
I hope so. I think it's perfect for her. Merry Christmas. Hi, I'm looking for a good laptop for school, but I don't know much about these.
No problem. How can I help you? Are you looking for something simple or more powerful?
I guess just something for studying. Maybe some light gaming, but not too expensive.
I understand. This one here might be perfect. It's cheap and great for studying. Plus, it can handle some games too.
That sounds good, but what does handle mean in this case?
Handle here means it can support gaming without any problems.
Ah, I got it. Thank you for explaining. I think I'll choose this one.
How do you feel about the conversations so far? Are you understanding them well? Have you tried speaking like the characters? If you have, keep up the great work. If not, don't worry. Just take your time. You've got this.
Kevin, remember last Christmas when Dad tried the surprises by being Santa Claus?
How could I forget? That was hilarious. He actually tried to come down the chimney.
Yeah, and then he got stuck. We had to call the fire department to help him out.
I know. The look on his face when the firefighters arrived, I couldn't stop laughing. Poor Dad. He just wanted to make it special for our little sister.
She was so excited to see Santa.
Yeah, she was. But after that, she kept asking if Santa would get stuck again this year.
I think this year Dad will stick to leaving presents under the tree. No more chimney adventures.
Probably for the best. We don't need another visit from the fire department on Christmas.
Definitely not. But it's a Christmas we'll never forget, that's for sure.
Absolutely. It's one of our funniest family stories now. Have you made any plans for the new year, Laura?
Not yet. I'm thinking about setting some personal goals. How about you?
I want to start a fitness routine. Maybe join a gym and get healthier.
That sounds great. I'm thinking of learning to cook. I hardly ever make home-cooked meals.
Cooking is a useful skill. Maybe you can take a cooking class.
That's a good idea. I also want to travel more. Do you have any travel plans?
I'd love to visit Europe. Maybe a trip to Italy or France.
Europe sounds amazing. We should start planning and saving for our goals.
Definitely. It's important to have something to look forward to.
I agree. Let's make this new year a memorable one with new experiences.
Absolutely. Here's to a year of achievements and adventures.
Hi, Emily. What have you been up to this Christmas Eve?
Hi, Alex. I've been helping my family decorate the Christmas tree. And you?
I've been baking cookies with my little sister. We made chocolate chip and gingerbread cookies.
That sounds delicious. Do you have any special plans for tonight?
Yes, we're having a family dinner and then we'll exchange gifts. What about you?
Similar plans here. After dinner, we're going to sing Christmas carols and watch a holiday movie. Oh, have you seen any nice Christmas lights in town?
Yes, the main street is beautifully decorated with lights and there's a big Christmas tree in the town square.
That's lovely. My family and I walked around last night to see the lights. It felt really festive.
It's one of the best things about Christmas, isn't it? The lights and decorations make everything so magical.
Definitely. I also love the feeling of giving and receiving gifts.
Hey, Maria, how are you?
Hi, Sam. I'm doing well, thanks. And you?
I'm good too. Been busy with school. What have you been up to?
Just studying for my exams and reading some novels. How about your schoolwork?
It's going well. I'm working on a project for my science class. It's quite interesting.
That sounds great. What's the project about?
It's about renewable energy. I'm researching solar power. Do you have any projects?
Yes, I'm writing an essay for English class about environmental protection.
That's a good topic. We should care more about our environment.
Hi, Sophie. Merry Christmas. How are you feeling this holiday season?
Merry Christmas, Lucas. I'm all right. Could be better. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. What's making your holiday less cheerful?
I miss being with my family. We couldn't travel this year, so it feels a bit lonely.
I'm sorry to hear that. It must be tough. Are you doing anything special to celebrate?
I put up some decorations and made a small Christmas dinner for myself. What about you?
I'm volunteering at the local shelter, trying to spread some holiday cheer.
That's really nice of you. Volunteering can be very rewarding.
It is. Hey, would you like to join me for a virtual Christmas movie night? We could watch a movie together online.
That sounds lovely. I'd like that. Are you enjoying the Christmas season? What's your favorite hobby around this time?
Yes, I love Christmas. My favorite hobby is baking. I make cookies and cakes for my family. And you?
That sounds delicious. I love crafting. I make Christmas cards and decorations. It's really fun.
Handmade cards sound wonderful. What kind of decorations do you make?
I make wreaths and ornaments. I also enjoy knitting, so I make scarves as Christmas gifts.
That's very creative. Do you also bake traditional Christmas treats?
I do. I usually bake gingerbread cookies and a special family recipe for fruitcake.
I love gingerbread cookies. Do you decorate them with icing and candy?
Yes, I do. Decorating cookies is the best part. We should have a baking day together.
That would be great. I can learn how to make those gingerbread cookies.
Hi, Laura. I'm trying to decorate my house for Christmas. Can you help me with this?
Hi, Ben. Sure, I'd love to help. What do you need assistance with?
I'm having trouble hanging the lights outside.
No problem. I've done it before. We'll need a ladder and some clips to secure the lights.
Great. I have a ladder, but I might need to buy some clips. Do you know where I can get them?
You can find them at any hardware store. I can come with you if you like.
That would be helpful. Thanks, Laura. How about we go tomorrow morning?
Sounds good. I'll meet you at your place and then we can go together.
Perfect. After we put up the lights, would you like to help me decorate Christmas tree?
I'd love to. That is one of my favorite things about Christmas.
Wonderful. I'm really glad you're helping me, Laura.
I'm happy to help, Ben. Decorating for Christmas is always more fun with a friend. I'm feeling a bit stressed today. There's so much to do.
What's wrong? Tell me. Maybe I can help.
Thanks, Jack. It's just work and home responsibilities. There's a lot on my plate.
I understand. It can be overwhelming.
Have you taken any breaks today?
Not really. I've been working nonstop.
It's important to take short breaks. Maybe go for a walk or have a cup of tea. It helps clear the mind.
That's a good idea. I haven't been outside all day. A walk might be refreshing.
Definitely. Fresh air can do wonders. Also, don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it.
I appreciate that, Jack. I might need to delegate some tasks at work.
That sounds like a practical plan. Remember, it's okay to not do everything yourself.
You're right. I tend to forget that sometimes. Thanks for the advice, Jack.
Mia, I'm feeling hungry. Let's go grab some lunch. What do you think?
That sounds like a great idea. I'm hungry too. Where should we go?
How about the new sandwich shop on Main Street? I heard they have great food.
Oh, I've seen that place, but haven't tried it yet. What kind of sandwiches do they have?
They have all sorts, like chicken, tuna, and vegetarian options too. What do you usually like?
I love tuna sandwiches. Do they have different kinds of bread?
Yes, they have whole wheat, white, and even gluten-free bread.
Perfect. Let's go. I can't wait to try their sandwiches. Thanks for the suggestion, Jake.
No problem, Mia. I'm sure you'll like it. Let's head out. I'm excited about the weekend. Do you have any plans?
I am too. I'm planning to go hiking in the hills. How about you?
That sounds fun. I'm going to visit my cousin. We haven't seen each other for a while.
It's always nice to catch up with family. What will you guys do?
We're planning to watch some movies and maybe do a bit of shopping.
Movie nights are the best. Do you know what movies you'll watch?
Not yet. We both like comedies, so probably something light and funny. Any recommendations?
How about The Hangover? It's hilarious.
Oh, good choice. I've heard it's really funny, and shopping should be fun too.
Hi, Sarah. It's been a while since we last met. Let's plan to meet up soon.
Hey, Leo. I was thinking the same. I miss our coffee chats. What day works for you?
How about Saturday afternoon? We could go to the new cafe in town.
Sounds good. What time are you thinking?
Maybe around 3 p.m.? That way we can enjoy a late lunch or early coffee.
Sounds delicious. Shall we meet at the cafe or somewhere else first?
Let's meet directly at the cafe.
Got it. See you on Saturday at 3 p.m. at the cafe.
See you then, Sarah. Looking forward to it.
Hi, nice to meet you. What do you do for work?
Hello, I'm a graphic designer. I create designs for websites and advertisements. And you?
That sounds interesting. I'm a teacher. I teach English at a local school.
Oh, that must be rewarding. What age group do you teach?
Mostly teenagers. It's challenging but fun. What's your favorite part of being a graphic designer?
I love being creative and seeing my ideas come to life. Every project is different. Do you enjoy teaching?
Yes, I do. It's great seeing students learn and grow. Plus, I enjoy the school holidays. Oh, who could it be at this time? I'll go check. Maybe it's a neighbor.
Honey, Lisa is visiting us. Hi, Chloe. I was just passing by and thought I'd say hi.
What great timing. We were just finishing dinner. Please sit down.
Oh, I hope I didn't bother your dinner.
It's no trouble at all. Should I get you a cup of tea or a cup of coffee?
Tea, please. Thank you, John.
You're welcome. I'll be right back.
You two are always so welcoming. How was everything, Chloe?
Can't complain. Just the usual teaching and cooking. What about you?
Busy as always. Work has been hectic and the kids keep me on my toes.
Here's our tea. Thank you, John. So how's the new project going, Lisa?
It's challenging but rewarding. I'm learning a lot, especially about team management.
That sounds exciting. Managing a team is quite the adventure, isn't it?
It really is. Every day is different. What's new at school, Chloe?
Oh, the usual, but we're planning a school trip soon, which should be fun.
The school trip sounds like a blast. Where are you guys going?
We're thinking of a nature reserve. It'll be a great learning experience for the kids.
That's wonderful. It's so important for kids to connect with nature.
Definitely. So how about your family? How are the kids doing?
They're growing up too fast. Seems like yesterday they were toddlers.
They must be keeping you busy.
You can say that again, but it's a good kind of busy.
It's good to hear that. They're our motivation to work harder.
Always the best for the kids, right?
Absolutely. I was thinking about checking out that new club that just opened up downtown. Want to come with me?
I don't know, Alex. I've heard some pretty sketchy things about that place.
Really? What have you heard? It seems pretty popular so far.
Well, from what I've been told, it's not exactly the safest spot in town. I think you should steer clear of it.
Oh, come on. I'm sure it's fine. Don't worry so much.
No, Alex, you really shouldn't go there. I'm being serious.
Why? What's the big deal? Is there something wrong with the club?
Look, I'm just trying to look out for you, okay? Don't go there. It's not a good idea to be there, especially at night.
Well, now you've got me curious.
I'd rather not get into the details, Alex, but trust me, it's not worth the risk.
All right, I get it. If you're that worried about it, I won't go. But you gotta tell me more later, okay?
Okay, there will be a presentation contest in French at the school club. The judges will have to give a statement so that the contestants are free to express their thoughts, as long as they can convince the judges.
Why are you so interested in this contest? It seems it's only for members of the French club.
Yes, but it is an opportunity for us to learn more from other excellent students, especially the skill of expressing ourselves in French.
It's up to you. It's nothing special to me anyway. I'm not good at French, so I wouldn't understand anything if I went to see the competition. You can ask Peter to come along. Maybe he'll enjoy it.
All right, let me try it. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening. Did you have a reservation for tonight?
Yes, we have the reservation at 7 tonight for 4 people under the name Noah Wilson.
All right, please follow me. Here's your table.
Thank you. Could you give us the menu, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
All right, let's take a look at the menu. What are you guys in the mood for? I'm thinking of the lasagna. How about you?
I might go for the chicken parmesan. Steve and I will share a pizza as well. We'll have the lasagna and chicken parmesan, please, and a big size margarita pizza.
Great choice. Would you like to order drinks?
We'll have a bottle of red wine, please, and we'll have 2 mojitos.
Perfect. Dinner will be ready soon. So, Steve, how's work lately?
It's been pretty hectic, but there's nothing I can't handle. Thank goodness we have weekends. So how did you and Bella meet each other?
Bella applied for my company last year. I got the chance to interview her. She impressed me from the first sight, and she nailed the interview confidently, except for her spilling water on his desk at the start of the interview.
Hey, Amber, won't you stop talking about that?
She apologized a lot for that, but she looked so cute when doing it, I couldn't even bother.
Oh, so how did you guys meet?
Well, Bella introduced Amber to me. We hit it off at the first time seeing each other.
I remember chatting so long with Amber to the point I forgot the time. She was so funny and talkative. She's like a clown sometimes.
Yeah, I know. Dating her is fun. Let's toast for tonight, guys. Cheers.
Peter, look. Oh my God, a set of Lego.
That's right, but where did you get it?
Mom bought it for me.
Why didn't Mom buy it for you?
Well, because I deserve it. Haha. No way, I will ask Mom. Mom, why does Henry have a new set of Legos? He said that you bought it for him.
Right, but why? I like it also, but you didn't buy it for me. This is not fair.
No, Peter, it's just his award because of his good grades.
But I also want to have it.
Okay, if you were a good boy and study well, I'll buy you a set of Legos.
I will. Trust me.